Hey, today we are in Volkswagen Golf with a MIB2 based Discover Media navigation system, and I'm going to press and hold over here just to reboot it so we can see what's the current splash screen, the boot logo, the welcome screen. And in about 10 seconds, okay, we see the welcome to Volkswagen, and pretty much that's it. And right now I'm going to show how to change the coding of the head unit to use different screen, and we have some options to choose from. But first let's take OBD11 over here and let's connect to the car. And once we are connected, we are going to module 5F, which is almost at the end of the list. 5F over here, the multimedia, the head unit. And once we are logged in, we are going to select coding, long coding to be precise. Just let's give it a few seconds. Let's go to long coding, and you can scroll over here to the Byte18, and it's called Byte18 screening, or you can switch to the bit byte view over here, navigate to the right to the Byte18. It's called startup screen, and right now it's set to 0, 0, 0. And we have about 10 different screens to choose from. We have one for the GTD version, for the GTI, for the Bluemotion, for the eGolf, Airline, Golf R, Alltrack, GTE. The list of all the screens that I found is in the description below this video, and right now let's set it to maybe to Golf R. So we need to set it to 7. If we just press the first byte, we will see that it's set to 01, second one is 02, first and second is 03, so we are looking for 7. All 3 bytes are value 07. Press and hold over here. Coding was accepted, so we can disconnect, going back. And right now we all we need to do is just reboot the system and wait about 10 seconds to release the button. We should see new splash screen. Okay, yeah, Golf R with blue line over here. Okay, maybe let's set it to Bluemotion, since this is 2.0 diesel car, so the Bluemotion is the most appropriate for me, and there's no airline package on this. And so let's set it like this. I just want to say that in addition with this, you can also set the sound system sticker, which I already showed you in previous video, but I'm linking it in the upper right corner and in the video description. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Check out my other videos and give me a thumbs up if you like this simple coding tutorial, and see you soon.